In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create bank transactions report in Power BI. Start by opening Power BI desktop on your computer and navigate to a report that already contains your bank transaction data. We'll build everything on top of that data set so you can analyze income, expenses, and your running balance with clear visuals. First, let's create a proper date table to drive time intelligence. Go to the Modeling tab and choose New Table. Paste this DAX code exactly, replacing the placeholder with your actual table name and date column if needed. Date table equals calendar, mine your table name date, max your table name date. This generates a continuous calendar spanning your transaction dates, which keeps time-based calculations accurate. Now head to the model view, the third icon on the left sidebar, drag the date field from date table onto the date field in your bank transactions table. Confirm the relationship is one-to-many with date table on the one side. This ensures every transaction rolls up to the correct calendar date. Next, let's create the measures that power our insights. Go to the report view, the first icon on the left. In the data pane, right-click your bank data table and choose New Measure. Create these one by one. For total income, use total income equals calculate sum bank data amount 0. This sums only positive amounts as income. For total expenses shown as a positive value for readability, use total expenses equals ABS calculate sum bank data amount 0. Finally, for running balance over time, use running balance equal calculate sum bank data amount, filter all date table, date, max date table, date. Be sure your table and column names match exactly in each formula. Now let's build the visuals. Add 3 card visuals at the top, one for total income, one for total expenses, and one for running balance. In the format pane, set the callout value display units to none so you see exact numbers. Create a clustered column chart to compare income and expenses over time. Use date from date table on the x-axis. Power BI will auto group by year and month. Remove day and quarter so it shows month. Put total income and total expenses on the y-axis to see monthly trends side by side. Add a donut chart to highlight spending by category. Place category from your bank table in the legend and total expenses in values to spotlight where money goes. For a detailed view, add a table visual with date, description, category, and amount. Apply conditional formatting to amount so negatives appear red and positives green. Finally, add a slicer and drop date from date table into it to filter the entire report by time. Replace placeholder names with your own and you're set. Thanks for watching.